Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change shape color in Google Slides. So if you want to change shape color, here's how you can get it done. The first thing you have to do is you have to make a shape. So just gonna tap on the shape option, then I'm going to pick a particular shape and make drag and draw the shape. Then right here, if you want to add color, just come here and tap on fill color. And from here you can decide to go with any color you choose. If you want, you can use the gradient, which is pretty cool. Just use the gradient, and also you can also change the other color, which is the shape outline. Once you can also change it, you can change it to something else. Just the same color. Then try to make everything to be perfect, and that is how to add color shape. Find video, like and follow for more. Thank you.